Hey, what is going on YouTube? David here bringing you guys another YouTube video. Today we're talking about Apple iPhone silicone cases. Now I have all of the new colors. I didn't bother getting the old ones because those were obviously they're old and nobody wants to see them anyways. I got all the new colors in the silicone version for the 14 Pro Max. I also have Apple iPhone leather wallets. I did get the dark cherry leather wallet from last year. I know this one came out last year, but something tells me this is gonna pair very well with the new purple color for the 14 Pro Max this year, and I'm really eager to try out purple with the lilac and the purple silicone case with the new 14 Pro Max in purple that I have. Currently I have the Caseology Nano Pop on my iPhone 14 Pro Max in purple. I got this because I had nothing else to get when I first got my phone, and I wanted to protect my phone in case something happened to it. It's a very expensive phone. If you guys want to get this case, I'll leave a link down in the description below where you guys can get this case. And if you do like the case, get it through my link, as it does help me and support my channel as well. I'm actually super excited to try out this dark cherry leather wallet with this year's purple colored iPhone 14 Pro Max. The combo I'm specifically most keen on trying out is the lilac or the elderberry and the dark cherry or the ink color from this year. I think some variation of these colorways on the new iPhone 14 Pro Max in the purple color is gonna look absolutely sick, and I can't wait to try this out. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is David. I do Tesla videos. I also am a big tech person. I'm probably a lot more fond to Apple than other manufacturers like Samsung or Google, but I do love all tech. My girlfriend is also a big foodie. She's always researching the newest and greatest places to eat for us when we go out. So we're constantly taking food trips to try out different restaurants. This channel is all about documenting that whole journey. So if that sounds like something that would be of interest to you guys, consider subscribing to my channel and hit that bell notification bell so that you guys get notified when I upload new content like this in the future. I have a lot of exciting content planned for the channel, so make sure you guys follow me along that journey. With that out of the way, let's start getting these unboxed. Let's save the 4 things that I'm most excited for unboxing for last. I also did get one of the leather cases. I'm not usually a big fan of the leather cases because I heard that they don't really patina as well as they used to, like on the XS Max or the XS models. However, this new orange looked kind of neat, so I decided to get it anyways. Let's try this yellow case out. This yellow looks really clean. I love the Apple logo on this. I don't know how well this would age, but let's get this on the 14 Pro Max. And by the way guys, I'm planning on taking all of these phone cases outside later today under the sunlight so you guys can get a better view of the colors and what they would look like under direct sunlight. Okay, so this is what the yellow looks like on the purple iPhone. It contrasts very well. Their shades of yellow have been so spot on for me recently. I'm actually really digging this look. The cutout for the cameras, this back part, it actually looks really dark. I would understand if this sometimes would pass off as a space gray model, and the space gray model is pretty universal, just like the white, and it would match basically any color. I think that this yellow would do very well with the white, space gray, and also for the purple color this year. I didn't expect that I would like it this much, but I think the bright yellow contrasts really well with the dark purple on the back of the iPhone. This is a great start. I really like this. And again, I plan on taking all of these cases outside under the direct sunlight to give you guys another look at these phone cases under the sun in just a moment after I finish unboxing these. I could totally see myself using this. Next up, let's look at this pastel kind of green succulent color. It almost looks like a gray. It even has some green hues on it. I don't know if you guys can tell. The color on the case looks like there's this really light shade of green pastel kind of color, but when you actually unbox it, it almost looks like Sierra Blue, like a darker, grayer version of Sierra Blue. It's a very interesting color. I don't know if this would work very well with the purple color. This will probably work very well with the white, and I don't think this would work with anything else, probably the black as well. So this is what it looks like on the purple iPhone 14 Pro Max. It doesn't look that bad. I actually really like the color of this case. It's very unique. It looks like a green gray. I think you could pull this off with the purple as well. It kind of conflicts and it doesn't really make too much sense. It would go very well with gold, white, and probably space gray. I don't think this would be my first pick, but for sure this doesn't look that bad at all. I can totally see the succulent color growing on me as I look at it more and more. I was a big fan of the Abyss Blue last year. The color of that blue really changed at every angle that you looked at it. I feel like this just looks like another boring blue. That's very safe. It's gonna work with all the phones. Probably not my cup of tea, as I like to be a little bit more spontaneous and colorful with my colors. Like I said before, for this year's 14 Pro Max, I don't think you can really tell that this is purple unless it's under direct sunlight and you look at it from an angle. That's when you really notice that this iPhone is actually the purple model. From a distance, this could just look like black, and then you just look like you have a navy blue on a space gray iPhone 14. It's very simple, it's very classy, and it's very safe. For me personally, I'm not a very safe person.
What?
I like to live dangerously.
I also like to live dangerously.
So personally, for me, I wouldn't go with this. However, it looks fine and it looks great on the purple model as well. It looks grayer and darker from last year's Abyss Blue, which, don't get me wrong, I actually really like, but I just don't think that personally I like these darker kind of colors. I'm always more of a brighter kind of a guy, so I would probably pass on this. My opinions might change once I take these outside and I look at them under direct sunlight and all that stuff, but I do have to say, after I set this phone down and I started to take a look at it a little bit more, this color actually really grows on. I think the yellow and the brighter, punchier colors, you could see yourself getting tired of it, but I think something very safe like this really makes it difficult for you to get bored of it. Let's get into the two heavy hitters that I am most excited for. Let's do the lilac first. Oh, look at this. It's like a light pink. It's like the best of both worlds between these guys. It's pretty vibrant, it looks punchy, but it's also very subtle. So far, it's perfect for me. I don't see myself being able to pull off chalk pink. A lighter shade of purple / darker shade of pink like this, I think I might be able to pull this off. Sorry, dark blue. I'm about to put on the lilac color. The moment of truth. Ooh, this looks sick. Again, you can't really tell that this is purple. This looks like space gray. It looks black, but I don't really care. I think the lilac would go really well with the white. I think it would go well with the space gray. I don't know about gold. I think it'll be a little bit too mixed and mushy on that. This combo looks great. The darker Apple logo here does really well with the darker of the camera cutouts here. It doesn't look like something that I would get sick of too easily, like maybe this yellow. I think it'll last a long time, and I personally think that the ink or the dark cherry would look killer on this silicone case, which I'm gonna try out in just a second because I have to try out the elderberry now. This did not disappoint. I really like this combo. This might be the winning combo right here. Let's see if elderberry can top it. This is so sick. Come on, elderberry. This is the elderberry color. It's like this dark purple. It looks very much like the purple from last year, the dark cherry. It looks so nice. This is very safe, but it's also not because it's purple. Purple's not a very safe color. It looks very elegant. It looks classy. Let's try it out. This lilac color is hard to beat. I also like this yellow one, so I don't know. Okay. I don't know what to say about this one. What do you guys think? This almost meshes too well together. They're basically the same color. It matches too perfectly. I mean, personally, I would like some sort of contrast between the iPhone and the case. I think you would need a Apple leather wallet or something that contrasts off this because it just looks like one color. It matches too perfectly and is too uniform for me. Even though I really like this color, I can't really get excited if that makes sense to you guys. but it does look very, very classy. It's a very safe color combination. It would go well with white, space gray, purple, and gold. This is a great alternative to the blue if you want something that's safe but really subtle. This is a close runner-up for second. It's kind of like the Sierra Blue with that light sky blue case. It just fits too well for me. Let's unbox this orange leather case. It looks like an Hermes orange. So this is what the orange looks like on the purple iPhone. I actually really like the orange, and I actually really like this combo. I don't know how well this orange would age, as I know with recent years, the leather cases tend to start turning black on the edges, and it looks really disgusting. It reminds me of Halloween, and it also reminds me of the Hermes classic orange. All right, so let's start unboxing the Apple leather wallets. So this is umber. This looks like Arizona red and saddleback brown combined. So this is what the wallet looks like. It's a very safe color. It's very classic, but pretty boring. Next up, let's do the forest green. So this is what the forest green looks like on the purple iPhone. This looks very, very similar to the sequoia green from last year. I think this will pair probably really well with the succulent color on maybe the silver iPhone this year. Purple and green, those are classic Joker colors. I really like that color combination. This might be my favorite pairing for the green wallet with the purple silicone case and the purple iPhone. This looks really nice, and it's got really cool fall vibes. Perfect for fall. I think forest green and the succulent color is a close second. I think the umber wallet would pair best probably with this darker shade of blue. It's a very safe color combination. Let's unbox the ink wallet. I think this is a very safe pairing. It works. It's very safe though. And again, it's not for me, but very nice. It looks like midnight to me, or black even. Again, it's very safe. It's very dark. If you're going for safe, this is a great color combination. The ink just looks like a very dark blue. This is the dark cherry. This is not a new color. I wanted to get this one this year because I think this would look the best. This looks like a match made in heaven. Everything matches. It matches almost too well. Again, I don't think I would go with the dark purple elderberry case with the purple iPhone. This combination would look great on the lilac. Here we go. This might be the winning combination of my favorite right here. That just really contrasts well and work well together. I don't think it looks too feminine because you have this dark cherry color here to make up for it. If you think that the lilac color is a little bit too feminine for you, I don't see this being as too feminine at all. And this just might be what I go with this year. One other color I just realized I don't have is there's actually the orange Apple Wallet this year that I don't have here. With that being said, let's take this mess outside and under direct sunlight. This looks gorgeous. This is the ink color. I actually really regret I didn't get the orange color. I'm probably gonna go pick that up later today. Here is the purple iPhone Pro Max with the dark cherry color from last year on the lilac case. I think it looks pretty slick, although the purple does not match perfectly with the purple on the iPhone. Here we have the succulent color on the iPhone 14 Pro Max in purple. This is what the yellow looks like. I actually really like this color combination. Again, I really like vibrant colors, so this really works for me. With the blue color. and this looks a lot better than what I had initially thought. Here's what the purple elderberry silicone case looks like on the Purple 14 Pro Max. Here is what it looks like through different lighting conditions. This orange is so bright.
Two hours later.
Alright guys, so I just went to the Apple store so I can get the final piece of the puzzle. Now I have the orange leather wallet. So this is what the orange Apple leather wallet looks like under direct sunlight. This actually might be my favorite color out of the bunch now. In my opinion, I actually think this combination looks the best, as the orange does really pop off of the dark purple. After trying out all of the color combinations, this is definitely one of my favorite ones. And that's it for the video, guys. If you liked the video, thought it was helpful, informative, or somewhat entertaining, consider subscribing to my channel. As on this channel, I mostly do Tesla videos, but I'm starting to branch out and do a little bit more of tech videos as well, mostly Apple. And make sure to hit the notification bell so that you guys get notified when I upload new videos like this in the future as well. I hope you have a great day. This is David here, signing off. Catch you guys in the next video. Bye! And I got bit by so many mosquitoes just now, so make sure you guys drop a like on the video by going outside and filming that YouTube video. Yep, that doesn't look good at all.